In this lecture, we will learn about pipeline schedules in GitLab CI. Using pipeline schedules, we can schedule a pipeline to be triggered automatically, for example, every day, every week, or every month, or we can specify the time using the cron syntax. We can create a pipeline schedule by going here to pipeline schedules. So here we want to create a new pipeline schedule. So here we can provide a short description for the pipeline. Here we want to create a pipeline schedule to trigger the pipeline every month on the first day. Okay, so here we want to create a pipeline schedule to trigger the pipeline automatically every month on the first day. Here we can choose the cron time zone. And here we specify when we want to trigger the pipeline using cron syntax. To learn more about cron syntax, you can click here on what is cron syntax. So here we see that cron syntax is used to schedule when jobs should run. So here we start by specifying the minute, then the hour, the day of the month, and finally the day of the week. So here we want to trigger the pipeline on the first day of every month at midnight. We can verify our cron syntax using the cron tab website. So here we see that our pipeline will be triggered at midnight on the first day of every month. We can choose here the target branch or tag, and we can also provide some variables or files. So let's create the pipeline schedule. So here we see that our pipeline will be triggered in 1 week. So it will be triggered at the 1st June on midnight. But you're still able here to trigger the pipeline manually by clicking on this icon. So now the pipeline was triggered. Let's go here to pipelines. And here we see that this pipeline has the schedule tag because it is a scheduled pipeline. And if we go back here to pipeline schedules, we see that we still able to create new pipeline schedules. So we can create more than one pipeline schedule. So that's all for now. Thank you very much and see you next time.